Join me as I dive deep into the world of rail stock and try to uncover some of its best-kept secrets. Rail stock has long been a staple of the investment landscape, offering a unique combination of stability and growth potential that's hard to find elsewhere. But despite its importance, many investors overlook rail stocks in favor of more flashy or trendy options. Today, we're going to explore why that's a mistake and why rail stocks deserve a place in your portfolio. One of the biggest misconceptions about rail stocks is that they're boring. That they're slow-moving, unexciting, and only suitable for widows and orphans. But nothing could be further from the truth. Rail stocks are often at the mercy of volatile market forces, subject to sudden swings in demand and supply. And yet, despite this unpredictability, many rail stocks have delivered remarkable returns over the long term. Another challenge investors face is a lack of knowledge about the industry. How do railroads make money? What drives their profitability? And how do they adapt to changing market conditions? These are all important questions, and ones that we'll answer in depth today. By understanding the inner workings of the rail industry, you'll be better equipped to make informed investment decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Finally, many investors are put off by the perceived complexity of rail stocks. With their intricate networks of tracks, terminals, and logistics, it can seem daunting to get started. But trust me, it's worth the effort. By grasping the basics of rail operations, you'll unlock a world of investment opportunities that might otherwise have passed you by. So what drives rail stock performance? As it turns out, there are a multitude of factors at play. Economic indicators like GDP growth and inflation have a significant impact, as do industry trends like the rise of e-commerce and the shift towards renewables. And let's not forget technological advancements, which are revolutionizing the way railroads operate and making them more efficient than ever before. For example, did you know that many railroads are now using advanced analytics to optimize their routes and reduce fuel consumption? Or that they're investing heavily in automation, allowing them to streamline their operations and improve safety? These are just a few of the many ways in which railroads are embracing innovation, and it's having a profound impact on their bottom line. Of course, the biggest factor driving rail stock performance is the underlying demand for their services. As global trade continues to grow, so too does the need for efficient and reliable transportation networks. And that's where railroads come in, providing a critical link between producers and consumers that's hard to replicate. But here's the thing, despite all these positives, rail stocks remain surprisingly under the radar. Many investors overlook them in favor of sexier options, and as a result, they're often undervalued. That's why I want to share with you a statistic that blew my mind. Did you know that over the past decade, the top-performing rail stock has delivered returns of over 500%? That's more than triple the return of the S&P 500, and it's a testament to the incredible potential of this often overlooked sector. So what can we take away from today's video? Firstly, that rail stocks are more than worth your attention. They offer a unique combination of stability, growth potential, and income generation that's hard to find elsewhere. Secondly, that by understanding the factors that drive rail stock performance, you can make more informed investment decisions and avoid costly mistakes. And finally, that rail stocks are often undervalued, providing a potential buying opportunity for savvy investors. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of rail stock. I hope you've learned something new and valuable, and that you'll consider adding these incredible investments to your portfolio. If you have any thoughts or questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about investment strategies and the secrets of successful investors, be sure to check out my next video.